enjoyed this.
Hair time?
She's grumpy. She's so particular about
Grumpy,
her hair.
not happy with your hair.
She wants the hairstyle she wants, but she can't articulate.
It's a bit like me. I don't know what hairstyle I want. I got no hair. I just
You're
one,
like Daddy, are you?
one way to comb my hair. Comb it down.
So pretty. You look like a princess.
Your hair's nice. You doing studies, Chandel? Get to be a good rider. What are you hiding under the table? What's that? You're hiding something under the table? What's for breakfast? Scones?
Yeah. I forgot milk.
Scones at 8. Oh, how much milk do you need?
3 cups.
Oh, that should do. I didn't even drink my milk this morning, so you're lucky. I was going to drink. I'll have a look in the other fridge if there's any other milk. Scones it is, hair it is. Look, you happy? You got lipstick and hair.
Okay, got a little sandpit.
Sandpit, a little bit of red. Ooh, red eye. You get me put some drops.
I taught her a new trick today. Roxy!
Drops in the eyes. Should be good. Everyone done their hair?
Yeah.
Boys, hair is done, ready for a big day with some scones. Hey, princess. Shania, I didn't know you know how to make scones.
Short. No,
Huh?
a little bit short on milk.
Oh, have a look. Is there any milk in the other fridge?
Yeah. Can't believe we're out of milk, but we went to SeaWorld and then the shop for clothing.
What do you do?
Too bad, too soon.
Those scones. Oh, what's happening? No pulling hair, no.
Hey, so sorry. Give her kisses. Give her kisses.
Kisses.
Oh, that's nice. Right, let's
Nice
wash your
job.
hands. Look, we got fruit.
Are these scones ready? Because they're gonna burn.
Yeah, they are. I'm probably ready.
No. Okay, girls, can you? Who's free here? Straight up.
Come here.
Oh, Orion. Good boy.
Maybe they're not ready.
Ask Mum. I think they are.
Oh, just wash them down a bit. Yeah, they're ready.
Yeah. Just take. Put that up top there.
Okay.
And the other one just go in the middle.
Now I took white water.
Put it in the middle there. That's fine.
I know it
Hold on. Put some jam, and we got plenty of jam left. Or you got cream?
I got cream and jam.
Cream and jam.
Okay.
Tasty. Oh. I think you've done a good, better job today with those scones. They look.
Better job. Oh, I made them with a bit of
Hey, don't put my hand, darling. What happened? Oh no drawing anymore. That's it. Someone get the pen off her. She draws all over her clothes and everything. It's crazy. No, stop. Hey, Shirley, get the pen off the baby, please.
Bradley, you're not gonna get candy if you draw.
Yeah, you can't draw. Look at your feet. No. What do you do? I'll give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Only kisses, hugs. That's it. Be careful, you drop it. Yeah.
Right, they're ready. Let's see.
Let me
Oh, nice,
Bring it to
nice.
the table. Can we get the jam and cream on the table? The cream's in the fridge, eh?
All right, let's do that. Thank you, Oriel.
Coming up and she's shopping online.
Ah, yeah, birthday girl. You're doing shopping online. Saves Mum from doing it. What do you want? I can see
She wants a
skirt, lip gloss, lipstick, dresses.
It's an easy one.
Yeah, that's not too bad. Oh, you can go there and buy it yourself instead of doing it online, yeah?
So many clothes, though, but we can't get any shorts around town.
There's no shorts in summer. Where do you get shorts from?
Oh, Big Bobby sold out as soon as they hit the floor.
Oh, you gotta be quick off the mark. Nothing in best and less?
I'm sitting here.
Oh, they're piping hot.
Apricot.
I think it's a steam on it.
I
Sit in your seat, my little girl.
Okay, guys. Pass one up there, please.
Spoons, jams, and we're on.
What's on my
Oh, this is the last of the homemade jam. What a shame.
We should try and make it with canned.
We can't get the
Canned apricots.
peaches, right? Apricots. Did I say peach? Apricots.
Hey, Mom, look at that small look. A chip
Oh, what a shame. I like this jam.
We almost lost
But
it.
because second best, this is too full of sugar in this.
No, that's it's sweetened with grape juice, isn't it?
This one?
Yeah. It's got no sugar.
Doesn't it taste very sweet? Oh, I want
100% fruit because they sweeten it with
You can have it.
You don't want
grape juice concentrate.
I'll have some of this.
I need chocolate.
Pass the
You're
apricot
having your
jam to
homemade
Shalane.
jam? Just means how much here?
Shalane wants some.
Shall I?
Eat it.
Sorry. yeah,
Eat it, there's heaps of it.
I'm being greedy, I'm a klutz.
What's some more? That's
No,
not
don't do
enough.
that.
Kind of stingy.
Because this is the last of it.
Doesn't matter. We're gonna make some out of canned.
Can you please
You're
pass
See how that goes.
So kind. Valentine's Day is finished now.
Yeah, well, I was gonna
You don't have
make
to be
scones,
kind
but
to
we just never have any time.
Oh,
Alright,
did you
eat
like
up.
the flowers I got you at Costco anyway?
Oh, you
The red
know how
roses?
much I love flowers.
That was a good one.
I like potted flowers. I don't
I
see
gave
the
it to you.
sense in putting roses here just to die and then have to clean it up.
No, why not just smell the roses and leave it behind? Like I gave it to you and I just left it in the...
Yeah, that's convenient for you, isn't it?
Well, it's a shame because they're going to bring it home and die anyway. I don't see the point of that.
I like potted ones.
I like giving you roses and have a smell and put it back.
Well, you don't want to buy me a potted one.
A potted one from Buddies.
I haven't
Yeah, we
seen
should,
a
really.
potted rose.
We should. Roses are beautiful.
Oh, I see
Red
that.
I thought it
roses.
last long, just a few days.
You like roses?
Almost on my pants.
Yummy. Red roses, eh?
Where's the cat?
That's the...
Oh, he's in
They'll
the. He's
leave
under
by
here,
tomorrow.
Mom.
That's the dog.
He's in the bathroom. He was eating some meat.
She's cleaning up.
Cat meat.
Look at her. Look
Sheila,
at
you must have...
searching for gold. What happened?
I spilled my scone on.
You're gonna be sticky today. You'll be bowling and get stuck together. The humidity will get you.
They probably bowl better like that.
You're lucky. It looks like it's going to be overcast. Not going to roast in the sun. No roast chickens today.
Still hot though, 21.
I got to get pizza and run because we're on a run. Dad doesn't eat cream. He's worried about his cholesterol. He just eats ice cream.
Just ice
Thinks
cream.
he's healthy.
Have to eat ice cream. Oh, we've cleaned it. Someone give me the cloth, Shayla.
No, you can eat it.
Thank you very much. Here you go. There we
That's
go.
way too much cream.
There you go the pizzas. Let's go.
Don't face plant. We can't waste another half an hour.
Don't fall and trip on those pizzas.
Long way.
That's a long wait, yeah.
They're nice and
Nice and hot. Let's go.
Who wants pizza?
It's very hot, eh? I'll put them in the...
I put them in plastic so the flies wouldn't come.
Oh, we've got lots of tissues. So we don't have any wipes, do we?
I'm not sure.
Got the ring wipes.
Oh, well, we got tissues.
A little bit. Are you having some pizza or are you having steak?
What are you having?
Oh, I'm not hungry now. I think I'll just have some steak, remaining steak.
Plenty of food in there.
Plenty of food in here.
All under your legs. Isn't that funny, eh?
See that? Nice. Pizza. Oh, what happened? Someone's being up. Oh.
Hold it. That's my throat.
What happened to her?
Do we have any wipes? Is that
Oh, it's all over.
everywhere?
We can just wet these.
That'd be a bar style. You feel better, baby?
Not on it. It's got stew everywhere.
15.
Oh,
Recharge on the creep.
we'll change it soon. Oh, she's had it all over her top. Like I think you got spare tops.
the girls. They were in a jersey, so
Yeah.
make it.
We're meaning to pack the car up with this wipes. We got some tissues anyway. Quite a bit of spew coming up. Came out. How's the seat? Is it still wet?
It's got a lot of work to do.
They're going to take it out?
All
Or?
over the buckles. I'll take it out of her.
Oh, she's out.
Lie down, Bob.
Lie down. Feeling better now. Lie down. Good girl. Got a bit in there. Let's have a look. Cleaned up most of it. Look, yeah, it's a bit in there. I think we'll have to wash that when we go home.
Yeah.
The smell there.
Get the hose out.
Yeah. The hose in the whole thing. Never ending, isn't it? Clean at home, clean in the car, clean everywhere.
So you just put a pizza slice down and then all of a sudden she vomited. Yeah, that's unusual. She doesn't want food.
Yeah, I don't know what happened really.
No, you want your pizza.
Oh, no, that's yours. That's yours. Sit up and eat it. Oh, you can sit down, whatever. Alright, that's... Molly's just back to normal, nothing wrong. We'll see what happens. Keep cleaning. Ouch!
No, you got Dad.
We should be playing golf.
Right, you ready to go? Let's go. I think we'll go get ice cream. Ice cream shopping, and we'll have to load up our time zone card. Alright, you've been given a $300 time zone voucher, and it's double dollars today, so
Yeah, so.
$600. You have a little play while reload. Wanna play something, or we need to hit the shop?
Oh, we need
You got $888.70 credit. Yes, that's good. You ready to go? Yes, Asriel. I think Dad's got it. Let's go. What's the number one thing we need today? You don't remember?
No.
Wait, what are we out of?
Conditional?
So you got a better memory than all of you. Here we do need.
Isn't that from Costco?
We need milk.
Oh.
Oh.
We need milk.
Right, let's get a few things here. Warren will do all the shopping for me.
No, yo. No.
Who's been grumpy today?
Not really.
Yeah. Grab 4 breads, please. Thank you. Alright. Putting your hand up. I love that.
I didn't want you to do an
Shandell.
Mom.
What happened, Shandell? What happened to Dad? He's left carrying everything. Sure. Pop out. No ice cream. You can't be naughty. It's okay. I'm gonna buy you some ice cream.
Get some
Good
ice
girl.
cream for you.
Oh, you wanna come with me?
I'll take you.
There we go. You good? You good?
Now that I remember,
You
I
still
put
smell like vomit.
it- You know what?
Smells
I
like
did with the
arson.
t-shirt?
Yes.
You bend it.
I think I put it in the
Okay.
bag, a bin bag in the car, and
you
then I
bend it.
chucked it in the bin.
I'll buy a new one. This one.
What did you chuck in the bin?
Are they still
A
selling?
t-shirt. I think they're clearing them out. What ice cream do you want?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's dark chocolate.
I know.
Just ordered a new t-shirt. They're on special
Thanks,
for $2.
It was all happening so fast, there was spew on it.
Yes, we all know what Dad gets up to.
I put it in the car bin and then I ended up chucking it in the outside bin so it's gone.
I was wondering, there's no smell in the car, so...
Well, I got rid of the smell.
You did. Vultures?
What?
The biggest vulture there. Hey, see what Azzy wants first.
Does she like chocolate or?
Does she like chocolate or that one?
Azzy, which one? Azzy. Azzy, which one? Pick the green one. Which one, Azzy? This one.
Why are you weighing my food up?
Someone's got to do some work around here.
Pizza!
Pizza, come and get it! Straight from Pizza Hut. Let's go.
Look, Maverick wants to get in on the action.
It still stayed pretty warm. Pizza. It's coming out of the oven. This is an airtight little container.
Pizza! I'll do your hair. Come on.
Make a choice of
Pizza!
6 slices.
Oh, you took your bandolier. Let me quickly do your hair.
Chanel, come. Grab a piece.
It doesn't matter, Azzy, you're going in the shower soon. So your hair doesn't have to be perfect.
What do you call it? Salami, small one.
Cut squash. Couldn't leave it in the box. Flies will come and get it. There's flies everywhere.
Too bad I
rain.
couldn't eat that. I'd want that.
Hungry.
Cholesterol, I've got to be careful.
You don't have cholesterol.
I don't have it, but I'm just looking after my figure as well. Gotta keep it trim. Alright, we're going hunting. You had pizza and pizza and popcorn.
There we go.
What are you spraying a bit of oil onto the popcorn? What are you doing? The bird likes popcorn.
This is the non-salted one.
No salt, healthy. Good for the bird.
He likes this better than peanuts.
Better than peanuts?
Yeah.
I thought peanuts was his favorite. Oh, well, there you go. The bird likes popcorn. You're making another batch. You'll be there for a while. Kids love it, don't they?
An unsalted batch.
Alright. Oh, unsalted batch for the birds. Alright.
Who's going to be on guard? Don't let Azzy spill it. Got masala and salt and vinegar. Hold the table, eh? Is that good? You can watch a movie and eat, hey?
Check out this dumb Eiffel Tower.
What are you watching, Azzy?
You've gotten so much better lately.
What are you watching?
I've been practicing. I hope we're not putting you out. Pancake!
Yeah?
Of course not. We totally have space for 12 extra
Good?
people.
Tastes good? Don't let her spill it. You know what? We should put it here. Who's in the shower next? Dad.
Oh, yeah, I'm already finished.